Say no to keep up with Joneses. When our friends buy a new car, then to keep up with them, we too feel the urge to buy a new car. We compare our peers or neighbors as a benchmark for what all goods and lifestyle upgrades we should have. If we are not keeping up, then we are being left behind. People trying to keep up with the Joneses by buying expensive cars and clothes that they do not need or even can't afford. Few people go to an extent to go into debt to keep up with Joneses. In this process, you may lose your identity. Stick to your identity with your own choices and lifestyle. Stay extremely happy and satisfied with what you already have. Do not mix your success or your identity with the material you possess. This will give you freedom and happiness. Say no to fashion trends. We often fall for fashion trends that makes us wear uncomfortable dresses. We end up buying things just to be in trends and which we do not need. Once the fashion trend is gone, we do not want to wear them again. So choose to wear what is comfortable, seasonal, and you feel good after wearing. Instead of keeping eye on fashion, focus on your own style and personality. Say no to impulse buying. Give yourself some time to think before you jump into buying something. There are many things around which are very attractive and pleasing, and you may feel that owning all this will give you greater joy. But that is not the case. You may already have some beautiful items at your home which you did not even pay attention for years and again reached out for another one to find joy. Take your time to think if you have anything similar before buying. Your already possessed material can give you the same amount of joy if you focus on it, if you be mindful about it. To join our minimalism community, please subscribe. Thank you.